officially welcome you to F&A Homes. My name is Favor Wonkalo Akimbami. I don't even know if people still do intro videos, but I thought it would be nice maybe to do one. My channel name is F&A Homes, and that's like the acronym of all my names. My maiden name is Wonkalo. I did get married to my lovely husband in 2019, so I became an Akimbami. I love the name. So on this channel, it's going to be heavy on home decor and DIYs and interior decorating. That's what it's mainly going to be about, but I just don't want to limit it to that. And I know the channel is called F&A Homes, but once in a while I might want to throw in some vlogs here and there, maybe shopping with me for home decoration or other things, and any other thing I'm interested in. So I don't want to limit the channel because of the name, although I do like the name, and the content is going to be heavier on home things, and I still would like to maybe venture out here and there in some other videos I might be interested in. I would try my best to upload once a week. That's my set goal for now, once a week, and hopefully more moving forward. Probably looking more like on the weekends, maybe Sunday or Saturdays. Some other things about me: I am 29 years old. My birthday is in April. I studied psychology in my undergrad, and in my master's I did psychotherapy, and I am still in the process of becoming a registered psychotherapist in Canada. I am full Nigerian, and my dad is from Delta. My mom is from Enugu. I come from a family of 4. You're probably going to meet my sister on this channel because she's been pushing me to finally, go ahead and have my own YouTube channel, and here I am. What else? Yeah, I'm not sure what else to say, but like, this is again just a quick intro video for you to just kind of know a bit about me, and with other videos you get to know me a bit more. If there's anything any of you are interested in, and you feel like, oh, you'd be curious to know from me or see my own take on or anything, definitely let me know in the comment section. Then I can definitely go ahead and see what I can do and help you guys whatever way that I can. So definitely leave some comments down below. I'd like to get to know you guys as well. Just say hi. And I'm so glad to each and every one of you that will join me on this journey, and hopeful to God to see where all of this is going to go. And most importantly, I just want to have fun and do what I love doing, which is home content. So I think that's it for this intro video, and again, welcome to F&A Homes, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. I will be seeing you guys in some other videos. For now, have a wonderful day.